Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the display size and text size or increase or decrease the display size and text size on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel devices running the latest Android 16 version. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the Settings app. Scroll down up to Display and Touch. Tap on it. Now again scroll down and you can see the display size and text option in the Appearance section. So tap on it. By default, here you can see the set the font size, display size on your device. Also, you can see the new style option on your device. So first, let's see font size. Make text bigger or smaller. When you increase or decrease the font size, it will make the text bigger. Only make text bigger or smaller, not app icon. So you can increase this. It will only affect the text size. It will not apply to your app icon. So you can increase or decrease the font size you want on your device. In the display size, make everything bigger or smaller. So whenever you increase the display size, it will also increase the text size also or application icon also, like this. Here you can see also increase the app icon or a text icon both on your device. So you can set font size or display size you want on your device. Here you can see the preview how it looks on your device. Also enable the bold text option if you want to see the bold text like this on your device. Here you can see the bold text. If you don't like it, just toggle up it and you can see the normal text. Also you can see the outline text. Add a black or white background around the text to increase the contrast like this. So here you can see how it looks, but it will not look quite good, very bad. So make sure to toggle up this option. If you don't like, just tap on the reset setting to set at the default settings available whenever purchase your new Pixel devices. So you can also reset this display size and text size. So quite easy to increase or decrease the font size or a display size on a Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. Please like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.